Narrator serious tone. It weighs less than the weapon it's replacing, yet hits harder than anything the enemy has seen before. It pierces armor, shreds through cover, and it just might be the most lethal light machine gun the US Army has ever fielded. This is the M250. And it is not just a replacement for the M249 SAW, it's a revolution. For decades, the M249 SAW was the backbone of US infantry squads. A 5.56mm light machine gun that offered suppressive fire in a compact package. But times have changed, so have battlefields. And so have the enemies. Modern threats include better armor, longer ranges, and rapid maneuver warfare. The 5.56mm rounds used by the SAW are increasingly inadequate against modern body armor. The US military knew it was time for an upgrade. Enter the next-generation squad weapon program. A total rethink of squad-level firepower. Narrator, the M250, developed by SIG Fury, is the US Army's answer to the evolving battlefield. Chambered in the powerful 6.8 by 51mm or .277 SIG Fury, it's a light machine gun designed to bring devastating firepower in a lightweight, modular platform. Weighing in at around 14.5 pounds unloaded, it's actually lighter than the older M249, but don't let that fool you. It delivers significantly more energy and range. It's also suppressor-ready from the start. SIG suppressors, SLX and SLH, are part of the package. Why? Because the modern battlefield demands stealth, control, and speed. The M250 uses a short-stroke gas piston system, is belt-fed, and designed for high-volume sustained fire. It features M-LOK rails for accessories and a full-length Picatinny rail for optics. Designed with future warfare in mind, the M250 can be integrated into advanced soldier systems, including heads-up displays and drone coordination interfaces. In battlefield simulations, the M250 outperformed legacy systems in both suppression and target elimination. Let's talk about what really sets the M250 apart: the ammo. The .277 SIG Fury is a 6.8 by 51mm round with hybrid casing, a stainless steel base with brass body, that allows for much higher chamber pressures, up to 80,000 psi. That's nearly 50% higher than traditional rounds. Why does that matter? Is simple. It means more velocity, better range, and far superior armor penetration. This round was built specifically to defeat threats protected by modern ceramic and composite body armor. Compared to 5.56 or even 7.6 Tornado, the .277 Fury delivers flat trajectories and devastating terminal ballistics. In testing, it achieved consistent hits on human-sized targets at over 1,200 meters, something no previous LMG could dream of. The first operational units to receive the M250 were from the legendary 101st Airborne Division. Soldiers describe it as lighter than expected, easy to control, and surprisingly accurate, even during full auto-fire. Quote on screen from SGT, James L. Infantry: it feels like a hybrid between ADMR and a machine gun. You can suppress or snipe, depending on how you set it up. The M250's integration with the XM157 fire control optic makes this possible. Range finding, ballistic calculations, and environmental data are all fed to the shooter in real time. This isn't just a gun upgrade, this is a total firepower system. One soldier commented, "It feels like I have a sniper rifle in machine gun clothing." That's the kind of psychological and tactical advantage the Army is betting on. The M250, paired with the XM7 and XM157, forms the cutting edge of America's future combat formations. These weapons allow infantry to engage enemies earlier, hit harder, and operate in contested environments more effectively than ever before. With reduced recoil, higher lethality, and greater mobility, squads are now more lethal per soldier than at any point in U.S. military history. The Army's doctrine is also evolving. The M250 plays a role in emerging multi-domain operations, a battlefield where land, air, cyber, and space warfare overlap. A soldier with a lightweight LMG that can connect to drones and command systems, that's not sci-fi, that's now. Expect the M250 to be central not just in firefights, but in the way information flows across the battlefield. This is the dawn of a new era in firepower, and we're here to cover it all. Hit that subscribe button, And join us as we break down the future of combat, one weapon at a time. This is Machine Squad.